Hi there, welcome to CoHR, your all-in-one solution for workforce management. I'm Sunil Ali, and in this quick video, I will be introducing you to CoHR, the common HR challenges it addresses, and the industries it serves. Let's dive in. What is CoHR? Well, CoHR is a powerful human resource management system designed to streamline and simplify workforce management for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're managing employee information, assigning roles and permission, or handling team projects, CoHR brings everything together in one seamless platform. Now, let's talk about the common pain points HR professionals face. Sound familiar? Managing attendance and leave, keeping track of multiple projects, ensuring smooth communication across departments, handling employee feedbacks, or even managing training programs like LMS. It's a lot to juggle, right? That's where GoHR steps in. It's specifically designed to address these challenges. GoHR offers features like attendance tracking, leave management, role-based permissions, announcements, and detailed reportings, making your processes efficient and hassle-free. But it doesn't stop there. GoHR is also perfect for businesses managing learning and development, where the features like LMS integration, tutor and student management, course handling, and even fee requests, it's a complete solution for educational organizations. So, who can benefit from CoHR? While it's ideal for HR teams in small and medium enterprises, its versatility makes it suitable for industries like education, tech startups, manufacturing, and more. Basically, if you manage people or processes, CoHR is for you. And that's just a quick overview. In upcoming videos, I will be guiding you through each feature step by step to help you get the most out of CoHR. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to explore the features we've mentioned and don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to sign up and get started with CoHR. See you soon.